Welcome to the intriguing world of explainable artificial intelligence, often referred to as XAI. Picture a world where AI is omnipresent, influencing your Netflix recommendations, fueling your smartphone's voice assistant, and more. But have you ever paused and pondered over the decision-making process of these AI systems? This is a question that XAI seeks to answer. Now, envision an AI system as an intricate machine, teeming with countless gears. Each gear signifies a different element of its decision-making process. For a long time, these gears remained concealed, making the decision-making process of AI a mystery. This opacity often breeds mistrust and uncertainty, particularly when AI is employed in crucial sectors such as healthcare or finance. But what if we could add windows to this machine? This is where Explainable AI steps in, turning the opaque black box of AI into a transparent entity. By introducing transparency, we can comprehend the inner workings of AI, thus fostering trust between humans and these high-tech systems. The world of XAI is filled with a myriad of techniques to enhance this transparency. A typical approach involves providing explanations for AI decisions in a manner comprehensible to humans. For example, if an AI recommends a movie, it could justify its choice by highlighting similarities to other movies you've enjoyed previously. However, XAI is not just about transparency, it also emphasizes accountability. By offering explanations for AI decisions, we can hold these systems accountable for their actions. This ensures that AI serves the best interests of society. The field of XAI is rapidly evolving, with researchers relentlessly developing new techniques to improve the explainability of AI systems. These techniques range from attention mechanisms to interpretable neural networks, counterfactual explanations, and model-agnostic methods like LIME and SHAP. Despite these advancements, challenges persist, such as striking a balance between accuracy and interpretability, creating standardized evaluation metrics for explainability techniques, and addressing the scalability of XAI methods for complex AI models. In conclusion, XAI plays a vital role in building a bridge between humans and AI systems. It nurtures trust, accountability, and promotes ethical AI deployment across various domains. This is Dr. Abha Khandalwal, the founder of the Association of All Computer Science Teachers, signing off. Stay tuned for more enlightening videos on cutting-edge technology. Until then, goodbye. Have a good day.